Hello guys and welcome to Glide by Prep Eve. So as you all know that tomorrow we are starting with our live batch for the DuoLingo English test. It is going to be a 10 days crash course and we have got a lot of calls and around 20 students have enrolled already. So I wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what we will be doing in this course, and all the students who have enrolled in this course will also get to know from this video that what all we will be doing from tomorrow. So first of all, let's discuss the course structure, the timetable of the course on what we will be doing together. So day 1 Friday, that is tomorrow, we will be starting with writing. Because it is troubling the students the most, so we will be starting with writing and we will start with describing an image. So as you all know, I have posted the strategy on my YouTube channel already, on this channel already, and but beyond that, obviously you need to check whether you are right or wrong, whether you are following that strategy or not. So what we will be doing is that I will be live with all of you. I will post an image. You have to write it in the chat box on the Zoom app, on the Zoom platform, and then I will be evaluating each and every one of you writing there, and then will be telling you your mistake and will be correcting that mistake. So what will happen is that, say there are 30 students in the class, 30 people writing their answers, I am evaluating 30 of them. So it is not just your mistakes that you will get to know about. If another student is making a mistake, you will get to know about that mistake as well, because you might also make that mistake sometimes. So now you will know that, okay, I don't have to make that mistake, right? So this is, and obviously when you will be looking at 30 different answers, you will be getting more ideas, right? So that will make your job easy, right? And extended writing, next days from Saturday we will start extended writing, which is the when you have to write for something up to 50 words, at least 50 words, not up to 50 words. So we will be practicing them and we will be doing the same here. I will be posting one topic, you have to write it in the time frame there, and then we will start evaluating each one of yours. And next day what I want is I will give you at least 7-8 questions to practice. That would be your homework. You have to do that and come back the next day and we will evaluate, and I will also ask my team to give evaluations of your writings before that itself, right? And day 4 we will still continue writing, because writing is something that is troubling you guys the most. So we will be practicing more of writing on the day 4. And finally from Tuesday, that is the day 5, this would be 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. From 9th we will start the describing an image type of questions for speaking. Okay, yet again I have already posted the strategy here, so it's quite simple to follow that strategy. But I have upgraded my plan in Zoom, where I can talk to you in a webinar as well. So, or we can also just turn on our webcams and all those things, and we will listen to each other together and we will evaluate each other. And I would obviously be there, but all of you will also tell each one of you their mistakes. Okay, so that it will become a good interactive class. And then we will do extended speaking yet again. Then extended speaking, I guess I made a mistake when explaining. So on day 6 I will be doing speaker sentence and extended speaking. I will start that. Okay, and pretty much after that, day 9th and day 10th would be for identifying real words and fill in the blanks type of questions. For these I will be giving you a good set of 300-400 words to practice from, and I will have a quick discussion of that Excel sheet itself. See, to be very honest, I can't help you a lot with this, but what I have decided is that I am creating a WhatsApp group of all the students who are enrolled in the course. Now what your job is, every day you have a target to read a blog, to read a newspaper article, to read a book, and find out 15 new words and post them in the group. Okay, if there are 30 students, and every student is posting 15 new words, or let's say 10 new words every day, then you guys will be getting to read 300 words every day. 300 into 10, 3000 words. Okay, you guys will get to read, and you guys will get to know that, okay, these, you will improve your vocabulary by 3000 words, and I will not be doing anything there. You guys yourself will be helping each other. What's better than that, right? If you don't know the meaning of any word, post that, I will explain that, or just google that and write it in the group that, guys, I got to know the meaning of this word, that it means this, right? Then I can obviously moderate the group so that nothing goes wrong there. Cool. Fill in the blanks as well. I will be giving you 20-25 practice sets that you can practice, and I have evaluated, I've actually pretty much found out the sources from where the Duolingo people are picking up the abstracts. So there are 4 or 5 sources itself, so I will pick it up from there, and I will give it to you guys in the course. So this is the whole structure of the course, and the main strategy would be practice, practice, practice. The classes won't be like that I will come, turn on my webcam and start speaking. No, I will give you a question, you practice that, then I will evaluate it for you. That's how the results will come. And mind me, what I want is, if there are 30 students starting the class tomorrow, 30 out of 30 should get the desired Duolingo score. Okay, no number less, and we all will be taking the test together. Okay, 11th day, that is somewhere going to be around 18th of June, 19th of June, we all will sit together. I also want to take Duolingo again with you. Let's all sit together and take the Duolingo test, and then we will all have a virtual party. Okay, so this is pretty much it. So if you want to enroll into the course, the link is given in the description box. The course has been priced at a very, very economic, like we have put the price to be very economic for everyone. We have decided the price to be half the actual Duolingo test fee. I hope that you guys would be happy and understand that the amount of value that we are delivering is worth the money that we are taking. So thank you very much. I hope that you guys liked this video. Do enroll into the course starting tomorrow. Thank you very much.